Very good morning, student. Today I am going to solve the question number 10A of your book. I will show you how you will solve the question. Firstly, dear student, you will prepare the format of the two-column cash book like that: date, particular, voucher number, LF, cash column and bank column. Again, date, particular, voucher number, LF, cash column and bank column. Now, the first transaction is given commence business with cash. For commence business with cash, the entry will be like that: cash account debit to capital. Entry is like that: cash account debit to capital. If we write this like, if we prepare the ledger of this cash, as the cash is on debit side, so we will write to capital on the debit side of the cash column like this: to capital account 50,000. Okay, again I am going to repeat you: cash account debit to capital. Here in this entry, the cash account debit means cash is written on debit side, so while preparing the ledger of cash or cash book, to capital will be right on the debit side of the cash book. We will write to capital account 50,000. Next entry will be deposited in bank 40,000. For deposited in bank, the entry will be bank account debit to cash 40,000. See here, this student, we have prepared two ledger cash book and bank book. So this, for this entry, bank account debit to cash, we will call it contra entry. Firstly, we can see that bank account debit to cash, as bank is on debit side, so to cash will be written on the debit side of the bank column. We will write to cash and we will write in bank column 40,000. Okay, to cash and 40,000. And for this, bank account debit to cash, as cash is written on credit side, so by bank will be written on the credit side of the cash column. Here, see here, by bank 40,000, and we used to write this C. It means it is a contra entry. Okay, bank account debit to cash on cash book, to bank by bank will be written on the credit side of the cash book, as cash is written on the credit side. And for bank ledger, bank is on debit side, so it is written to cash on debit side of the bank column, to cash 40,000. Next point is receive cash from Mohan 950. If we receive cash, so debit what comes in? Debit what comes in? We write to cash 950. Next point is brought goods for cash 10,000. If we brought goods for cash, we write by purchase, because if we purchase something, cash will be gone from us. We write by purchase 10,000. Again, the entry will be brought goods by check. If we purchase the goods through check, the entry will be purchase account debit to bank. Here it is right by purchase, but this 15,000 will be written into the bank column because we have purchases by check. Next is sold goods for check 20,000 and deposited in the same in the bank. Sold goods, here it is right to sales 20,000 because we have sold by check. Next point is paid to Arjun by check 1900. If we paid to Arjun, cash will be gone from us. As we have paid by check, so by Arjun this 1900. If it is paid by cash, this 1900 will be written into the cash column. Next point is draw from bank for office use. If we withdraw from bank, cash will come into the business to bank account 1000, because if we withdraw from bank, the entry will be cash account debit to bank. Cash account debit to bank. For this, again we will do the contra entry. In cash book, as cash is written on the debit side, to bank will be written on the debit side of the cash column. If we prepare the ledger of bank, as bank is on credit side, buy cash will be written on the credit side of the bank column. Buy cash account this 1000. Again we will write C because it is a counter entry, because this entry will be the transaction will be recorded in both cash book and bank column both. Now we will add the debit side and credit side, bank column and cash column, and here we have see that credit side is less than the debit side. We will write buy balance CD and balance this, and this is the overall process how we have solved the question. I will show you like this. You can record it or you can write it in your copy also. If you have any problem in understanding this question, you may ask me your query on WhatsApp. Thank you, student.